Eba bejedwa na wode afa kase bonimu ede amaye Otega
more fans
ma joy
ye nua bibia bokode
adomo
ye da twede mponase
yenkwe
Diafa agudie mu sem antoa enumere no sia kase ne so emfa emamo ye sha se fi kumase Asante Kotoko abranti e fere Kwame Opoku enkan no sia kan ma enkransa warriors ana Asante Kotoko fo ekofa no be boboli pi elema Asante Kotoko ko Algeria ko sina kan nei obabaka awabesan contract elema krobia kumase Asante Kotoko na abranti e pan ho aya ntuma eda kwasia da has ene Kotoko ebo super clash no na ne ne abranti ne din komo se ba to Asante Kotoko no ankasa feeling ankasa etisen edemano
say when the garden yankopon say or dey nyina essential bako na I'm say the feeling there is always the same as I can first time I'm back Kotoko no na feeling there you know say every player we are the pleasure and say obo Kotoko it is when your opportunity no say Kotoko impo hiya umpa I mean it's even a pleasure and feeling it very great.
We ene sema Kwampoku beye anadodona ere Efreda na Kwame say in fact wa ba so ba betra ba the best na team no etumi akonkan.
Oh yeah, when being for the cast me say ne town no engineer awa utru Canada where the cast wide my bread and then say we back Kotoko so and you know my expectation is very high. Yeah, I'm already any day no I'm ready to give out my best to the club and the pressure need the babet. When you want to play and I'm going to do obviously there a crown.
Ku striker Edema Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko ana yakote nenkana yewremu Kofi Kinata se webrina nim se Kinata nyompe noto na emeka se Kinata a football administrator upiemu ewo yeta krade ne mpatem dia wa GTimpa na team a different team move Kofi Kinata team second division team last season ekadwe na koni Rospark akabako ono eba Ghana division 1 league no so Rospark ehye no final to qualify and bebo Asas Bank Division 1 League ni binti Kofi Kinata enyonyompe na oto na mum owo football team ni ejibo pa ni ebisa Kofi se denti na oyodwom tuni a woni eji football ho a se die asa wo se sika pa odi sika gum se obeye football yekotie nchirema Kofi Kinata editudwa.
I have a football team too, you know, because I used to play football. We formed a team, that is the team Move FC. So we have under 12, under 15, under 17, and the second division. So now it's a league and they are playing. The aim is to have somebody look at players and I mean push them to wherever they have to go. Just organize them and if possible play in the Premier League and win the cup.
Move Kofi Kinata ana ene kwa nyentia odisika ego eye agudie mu no odre entremu ede ebaye inte yenjina eye Kofi Kinata eye nsemu so na yemfa agudie mu nsemsu emfansi ewo enumere no sia kase ne so midin ede Otega more fans team of fans #God can fail.
Otega yeda say eni a wuti ye Otega more fans wono ene de agudie mu